we are in Singapore hosting our IT career workshop for many individuals who want to switch into IT. A lot of participants who attended today, they are coming from non-IT background, but they have a passion to move into cloud, into cybersecurity, into AI. And with the help of this session, we could able to pass on the information which is very important for their IT career.
It's a very informative session. It covers some of the basics and also some of the things that I had doubts earlier on. It was clarified during the session.
I got all my information that I want from this workshop and all the questions was answered.
It's in MBS, the food is good. The room, the environment looks nice, and yeah, the speakers are very knowledgeable in their field.
I would recommend this to my friends and relatives. So the way it was organized, it's really impressive. Like a person who came from a non-IT field also, he or she will be able to understand the topics which you have taught. It's actually smooth flowing, making the class very proactively, asking questions and getting the crowd engaged. That was quite impressive.
ThinkCloudly.